Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to take a trip to Homewood, Alabama to pick up a few things that some stores were holding for me, and I just love it here. So my little niece went with me, Alyssa. We had a little girls' day, and my mom kept Kaysen, and they played it together, had a little play date. So we had so much fun just looking around and, like I said, just having a girls' day together. This splendid bungalow, I've taken y'all in here with me several times. They have some of the cutest things and just unique. We went into a couple more stores and then we went and got us a cookie fix. I got cookie fix. I got dark chocolate sea salt. She got just regular chocolate chip. Her first time having cookie fix. Is it good? And then this girl loves eating Newton bracelets, so we found one for her to wear and bring home, and we got this one at Rhapsody. These are her little collections that she has. We are back home, and I wanted to share with y'all a few things that I purchased while I was out and about on Friday. And then also I have found a few secondhand finds, Facebook Marketplace, Rustic Relics, Poshmark, just little places here and there that again are secondhand I wanted to share with y'all. This is actually Sunday after church, and so I thought I would film this while we were somewhat put together. I'm about to run to a baby shower after I share this with y'all, and then we're going to cut back to what we did on Saturday, because I have a fun little recipe to share with y'all and perfect for summer. So I'm gonna share with y'all this, cut back to Saturday, and then I think I'm gonna take y'all along with me to the baby shower because the theme of it is like all American girl. So it's like red, white, and blue theme, and I already saw what it looked like today because it's gonna be at our church, and it is so cute. So I cannot wait to share with y'all what that looks like. We're just gonna spend the weekend together. So this beauty is the reason that I even made the trip to Homewood this past Friday. I just love this, and I have been looking for one. I've seen the circle ones, and they can be very pricey. Like, I've seen them for over $200, and I have been on the hunt for one of these for years, but again, they are just very pricey. So whenever I saw this one and the price point that it was at, and I've never seen an oval one before, so I got it. I think it was called like the Nantucket basket or Nantucket cloche. But I love that blended bungalow. I've taken y'all in there with me several times, and it is so cute. So just loved this, and you will see how we're going to use this. I actually used this on a Saturday out on the patio for our little adventure outside day and just playing out by the pool. And then also while I was in the blended bungalow, the very back is like, I feel like the very front is just, actually I'm not sure. I know they have a mixture of new things and secondhand things, like real antiques in the store. But in the very back, I believe somebody else might rent out that space, so they have different pieces. But I loved this vase. It was so pretty. I can just picture my cut hydrangeas in this, and fall time or fall foliage, the pretty blonde leaves that I love to use, and then also, or even just the dried hydrangeas, I still love those for fall time. And then our greenery in this for Christmas and winter season. But it was just so different and unique. And look at the little like pedestal legs. I just love finding unique pieces like this. And then the next place, which is like right next door, I had posted something on Instagram that I love too, and I asked them to hold it for me because I knew I was going up that way. It's called the At Home Store. Again, I've taken y'all, I feel like I take y'all in these stores every season because I love going in there every season to see the new things that they have. But y'all know I love tortoise print. And this is just a beaded necklace, and I love that it has a magnet on it. And I love these big chunky necklaces just paired with my everyday jewels. I love the stacked look. And also, I always shop their sale rack. I love their sale rack, and they always have a huge like end of summer sale at the very end of July, so I kind of want to make my way back that way because it's still hot here, September, October, and so you can get neutral pieces like this that's meant for the summer, but great fall colors. And I think this will be so cute paired with like a short sleeve sweater and my little flats I like to wear, or some boots. They're like silky brown though, and I think they're so adorable. So I kind of want to make my way up there to see if there's anything that I would want for maybe next summer, or if there's pieces like this that I can transition into fall. Also, while I was in there, I got to meet one of you. I think that she said she was from Jacksonville, Alabama, which I wasn't familiar where that was, but she said that it was where the country singer Riley Green was from, so that was so nice. She came to me, she was like, I don't want to be weird, but I want to say hey, and I just want to tell y'all, never feel like you cannot come up and say hey to me, no matter who I'm with, what I'm doing. I love meeting y'all out and about. It makes me feel like I'm actually talking and hanging out with friends instead of just talking to a camera. And so I love it whenever y'all say hey. I feel like I've been meeting a lot more of you lately every time I go out and about. I have lots of YouTube friends that I watch too, and I guarantee you if I ever see them out and about, I'm going up and saying hey to them too, because they just feel like friends to me. Like I feel like my YouTube friends are some of my best friends, so I'm definitely gonna say hey. I'm probably gonna take a picture with them. Sometimes whenever I meet y'all, I wanna be like, you wanna say hey everybody on YouTube, but I know some people may not be comfortable with that, so I don't wanna make y'all uncomfortable either. But if you ever like, let's get a picture together, I'm all for it. I would love to have a picture with you. I want one on my phone. If you want to say, can I say hello on YouTube? I'm all for that. Like, we are just one big community here, and I love building those friendships and special bonds. Ran into a couple of more stores. This one is called the Cottage Basket, and it's so cute. They have like lots of party supplies, and they have some clothes and accessories. It's like almost a gift shop maybe. I got this for Kaysen. This is what his like backpack and things that we carry around with us all the time, and things that we take to church with like his toys. It's made from this material, so it cleans very well. But I have a little lunchbox that I put in his backpack. I use as a lunchbox, but it's not insulated like this. I thought this would be so cute to use for all of his snacks. And it's the little insulated cooler, and it has the little flag on it. I just thought it was so cute, so I picked this up for him. And also across the street is another boutique. There is so much shopping to do there, but they had these on the sale rack too, and they ended up being like $20. And again, I thought these would be a perfect fall transition piece. They're short, so they will still keep me cool in the hot weather. These were so cute. I believe they had them in another color too, but I really liked this color. I love this color and like blue paired together. And what's funny is I know that the blue and the brown used to be so popular in my bedroom. Whenever I was 15, we redid my room for my birthday present. And I had my back wall painted a chocolate brown and the other walls like a blue color. And I had that for years, and I was so sick of it and wanted to repaint it. And now here we are, what am I, 35? Oh my gosh, 20 years later. And the blue and the brown has made its way back around. Especially for fall. I love it. Thought that I would wear this in like September for sure. These shorts, this necklace, my little white Mary Jane flats I love wearing, or even my tortoise jelly flats would be cute with this. And then a white top or a light blue top. I think that would be so cute. Okay, this is some online ordering that I did last week. So my cousin Kayla sent me these from Walmart, and they were on clearance. And I was like, I don't need those. So cute, but I just don't need them. I have other flats that I wear all the time. I just could not stop thinking about them. She was like, you need them. I posted them on Instagram, and y'all were like, you need these, because they look like they are needlepoint, like little needlepoint ballet slippers of all the fun summery. So I'm telling y'all, I'm still here for all things summer. Like, I know I picked up a few pieces to wear, like transitioning into the fall later, but I am still all into the summer vibes, and that's where my headspace is. And then here's my secondhand finds. So I was picturing those with like a white dress, and I have like white dresses, white linen shorts, pants, that kind of thing. But I always get on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll just scroll like what's local to me within a certain radius just to see what people are posting and selling, because you can always run up on some fun things and then be creative with it in your home or fun accessories. And I ran across this dress, and I think it's gonna be so cute with those shoes. This will be so cute to wear in the fall too. And I'm saying that because I know a lot of you probably are done buying like spring, summer things, and you're like, I don't need any more of that. But if I find anything fall to get it and put back, but this I feel like can go for spring, summer, and fall season. First off, it's by my favorite brand, Mabel. I have so many outfits from this brand and I love it. And boutiques sell them. It's not like you can get on Mabel's website. I wish that you could, because I love so many things. So I just get lucky with finding them at boutiques. But everything that I have seen that was the Mabel brand, I just love. Blue sleeve. It's like a very poofy dress, but it's so cute, and it has the Peter Pan collar. And this may not be for a lot of you. A lot of you may be like, Holly, that is not cute, but I love it. I found this locally, and I got it for $15, and it's never been worn with the tags. It's with this chunky necklace in the fall and a pair of ballet flats. Like I have a pair of brown flats, would be so cute with it. So definitely thinking how I could wear this for the fall, but also for the summer. Like I cannot wait to wear this dress with these shoes. A big like chunky, I have a big chunky blue necklace like this one, but it's the blue. I just think it's gonna be so much fun. And off of Poshmark, my friend Kaylee, I talk about her all the time over here because she's the one that loves the Ralph Lauren polo stuff just like me, and we just have a lot of things in common. And she was over here 4th of July and she had this bag, and she told me she got it from Target. And I do remember Target having these bags last year, and I didn't grab one. And I saw one very similar to this in HomeGoods, but it was white and more of a canvas, like thicker bag. And I wanted to get it, but I was like, with that white, that's gonna get dirty really easy. So I was like, I'm just gonna hold off and look for the perfect one. Well, she brought this one over and it was so stinking cute. So I was like, I bet I can find that secondhand. So I did. I found it off Poshmark. And this is gonna be so cute to wear around for the summer. I think it's so cute, and I love the little tie. So Poshmark did it again for me. We did run to HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, but we didn't have like any luck there those days. But I did come across this for Kason. And I was already thinking he needed like a little beach chair. And this one was on sale at TJ Maxx or HomeGoods, but I wanted to share with y'all in case y'all were interested. They had them in lots of different colors. They're on sale for $12. How I just broke this off. It has a little cup holder, so I can sew that back on. I don't know how I did that, but it has a little cup holder. And then I loved that it came with this little umbrella. A lot of y'all are about to get mad at me for this, but I am not a superstitious girl. So it has this little umbrella for him. It's so cute for only $12, and it was the navy that I loved. So that's the only thing that I picked up from HomeGoods, but I had to share it with y'all in case that y'all needed something. If y'all have any beach trips or just park dates that you need something for your littles with the umbrella, because it does fold down and clip together really nicely. Lastly, the thing that I have probably been mostly excited to share with y'all, I told y'all in my last video that I went to Rustic Relics. I had picked up a few things, and then they had this there, and I was like, I feel like I need that. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I found a spot for it, and I just love it. I couldn't stop thinking about it. Y'all were like, you have to get that. Can anybody guess what I went back and got from Rustic Relics? The cookie jar. Oh my gosh, it's precious. So look, it was sitting on the shelf like this, and I took a picture of it looking like this. And I told them that I wanted it. If they put it back for me, I'd come get it. And so I went and got it, I think the next day. They did not even have the best part facing forward. Oh my gosh, it is so perfect. So stinking cute. Got it for less than $40, so it was $38. Y'all let me know if y'all think it was a good deal or not on this. I feel like it was. This is very unique. I looked online trying to do like a Google reverse and just seeing what they look like or how people may have styled them in their home or what they use them for besides a cookie jar. And I couldn't find really hardly anything like this online. There was a few, but I didn't ever find this exact one with the quick search that I did. And it's just absolutely stunning. So much fun. So this is going back to Saturday. We woke up, tidied up the little bit in the house, and then we took the golf cart over to our local farmer's market, and we got fresh lemonade there a few weeks ago, and I was hoping they had it again, and they did. So I got peach, and Drew and Kason shared just the regular lemonade. And then we needed to pick up some peaches for a recipe that I wanted to try. So whenever we got back home, I went out in the garden and picked a couple of jalapenos because it called for that in our recipe. I only should have put one because ours were super hot. So I saw this on Pinterest. I'm all the time looking up different recipes for the seasons. And for the summer, I found this one. So we have all of our Chilton County peaches coming in. So y'all saw we went and got those. I've already done the corn. This was frozen corn. Fresh corn would have been good, but for time and we want to go out to the pool, that's what we're doing today. Having a pool day, gonna snack around, ride the golf cart. Easy family day. Probably playing the sprinkler and have steaks tonight. I just love Saturdays at home like this. Just simple Saturdays. So I went ahead and just heated up the corn, did some like salt and pepper, and I added tahini, which is not in the recipe, but we love tahini. And it calls for honey, limes, avocado. We got some jalapenos from the garden. Our cilantro isn't doing well in the garden. It just doesn't do well in the heat. So we got this from the store yesterday. And then I had some purple onion. So I'll link the recipe and I'm gonna mix this up real quick. I'm so excited to try it. I think it's gonna be such a great snack to have out by the poolside. And I love the skin to peaches. So I'm gonna keep the peeling on there. But if you want to cut the skin off, I think that's what it's recommended to do.
So now, ending out this little summer vlog, I went Sunday after church to my friend's baby shower and it was so cute. I loved all the little details. I tried to film as much as I can. She had a dirty soda bar and it was so good. They had hot dogs and hamburgers and just all the little baby girl outfits were so adorable. My friend Lauren is so talented. Look at this banner that she made. And I'm going to show y'all her in a minute. She has been making lots of banners and different things for people in our community. And my friends are just so talented. Here is Ashlyn. She is so cute, little mama to be. And Lauren also made this stroller. She hand painted it. Here she is, so cute. And also made this like growth chart, adorable. This is something that I got Ashlyn, this adorable pink gingham lamp. But that is all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I would love it if y'all would hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite find was. I will see you girls on the very next one. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.